A budget 12-in-1 multi-tool. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Ozark Trail 12-in-1 multi-tool. This is an inexpensive tool that can be used for many situations. It's perfect for an everyday carry, have in your toolbox, have in your car, or outdoor activities. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. This multi-tool is by Ozark Trail and has 12 tools built in. I'll go over each one shortly. It also comes with a nice carrying case which you can loop through a belt. The back of the package has a diagram that highlights each tool. And this is the case that it comes with. It feels very durable and you can see the belt loop. For the price, the tool is very solid and does not feel loose or flimsy. It has metal construction throughout and a spring-loaded pliers. It folds neatly into place and it's a very compact design. And extending it is simple, just pull out on each side. Fully extended, it comes in at just a little over 6 inches. And folded, it's about 4 inches in length. Weight-wise, it's about 168 grams. Extending each tool is fairly easy. There is a groove on the top of each tool and it's just a matter of sliding them out. And then folding the handles in will give you a nice grip so you can utilize each tool. The tool has long nose pliers, standard pliers, wire cutter, an owl, bottle opener, can opener, a Phillips screwdriver, and a knife. On the other side, you have a file, medium slotted screwdriver, a small slotted screwdriver, and a saw. So this is an inexpensive multi-tool that has a lot of practical uses. The only thing I would have preferred is that the pliers were not spring-loaded. But other than that, this would be a great everyday carry, keep it in your car, have it in your toolbox, or use it in outdoor activities. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.